Angela, it's great to have you back here.
Thank you.
And we're talking roof stuff like we always do with Angela.
Yes.
I got a question. So what is a roof repair? What does that cost here in Ohio? And I know there's some various factors, but perhaps you can share your your expertise with these folks here.
Okay. So right now with our wonderful economy, the average roof right now in Northeast Ohio is approximately $25,000.
Okay. And that's a brand new roof.
That's a brand new roof.
Okay.
And there's a lot of variables in there. It depends on if we have to update your ventilation system, if you are looking at designer shingles versus just regular shingles, or if you're just looking for an economy system.
Yeah, a lot of variations, but it's good to just get a sense of that. And you mentioned, has the price of wood, does that affect anything even for whatever you got to do? Because we hear about the tariffs and everything. Is that happening yet?
We do. And for the most part, as long as your roof deck is good, we don't have a lot of wood replacement going on. We do try to inform the consumer at the time of the estimate what we see, and we give them that pricing. And then if on those rare occasions when someone has to have their entire roof deck replaced, we give them that not to exceed number.
Okay.
So they know ahead of time, but we always keep our fingers crossed.
Yep. So regarding that $25,000 kind of average, how big of a house is that? Just to give the folks an idea.
Well, you're looking at about 25,000 or 2,500.
Excuse
me.
Wow,
not
25,000 would be. So roughly, it's almost 10.
Like,
it's like a 2,500 foot house, 25,000. So
right, and again, it's all those different variables.
Sure.
It's going to depend on how cut up your roof is versus
a
small ranch. That's about 1,600 square foot, just basic up and over roof system.
That gives folks an idea.
Yeah.
That gives about an average of $25,000, 2,500 foot. And, you can kind of start thinking there. And if you want to find out more, well, they can just call you, right?
Absolutely.
You guys free estimates, is that correct?
We do free estimates.
Okay. And your phone number? Why don't you look at right here?
Our phone number is 440-925-0386.